welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting in a bit of an odd position because I'm showing you our new mattress, which is the Origin Hybrid Pro Mattress, which we were very kindly given for the purpose of this review and a blog review, and I just wanted to tell you about it. It came delivered in a box, which is incredible really, isn't it, for a mattress? So then you just simply rolled it out onto the bed and cut off the plastic, and it like expands magically. I put a little video of it doing it here. It was like the kids were fascinated. So it was really easy, and that was it, and you didn't have to like leave it to do anything. Literally ready to go. And we'd had our last mattress for about 8 years, so like I think they say 10 years to replace a mattress, don't they? So I was thinking it was like coming up to needing to replace it, but honestly we were completely happy with our other mattress. But oh my gosh, since we got this new one, we have been so comfortable. We didn't realise how bad the old mattress had got, to the point when we took it off the bed and propped it up to sort of get rid of it, it folded in half, the old mattress, because it was that like squishy. So this one is super firm, but not in an uncomfy way, and genuinely I've slept through the night. My husband slept so much better as well. We've all just slept so much better since we've had this mattress. It's got some motion technology, so like if I move around he can't feel it over there, which is great, because we're getting older and we get more fidgety in our sleep, so that's really good. And we'll also have the kids come in and out, and it's got like a cooling top so you don't get overheated. Honestly, I cannot rate it enough. It's so good. And obviously they are a big expensive purchase, which is why we weren't going to buy another one yet, because we didn't think we needed one, but oh my gosh, we needed one. Yeah, so just absolutely loving it, and just thought I would have to share it with you. I'll show you a little bit up close now. You'll have to excuse me because the kitten is running wild in the background, but yeah, I'll show you some of it now. So the top is this like super soft, wish you could have like touch-o-vision, but this is like, it's not memory foam, but it feels like memory foam. It's really like bouncy and springy, so it's comfortable to lie on, but at the same time the mattress is really firm, like you can tell. I'm pressing my hand quite hard into that, and it's nice and firm. It's not leaving any marks. Oh, it's just lovely. Yeah, it's got handles on the side so you can like move it easily, which, trust me, when we were moving the old one we realised is a great thing. And yeah, so we protect it with a mattress protector, and then just put our usual bedding on top, and hopefully it's going to last a good long time. If you see here, it's hard to see because of my bed frame, but these are the sort of different features of it. So as you can see, I'm absolutely loving this new mattress, and it's made my bed and my sleep so much better. So thanks for joining me for this video. I have got a discount code for you. I'll pop it down in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.